when Pradyumna was born, I was so excited with joy. And my husband Rajesh, he was little confused how to hold him, how to touch him. He didn't understand. So overall, we were very happy and highly excited. Pratiti is a precious gift to me. I love girls. Before her birth, I was praying God, like second time, I must have a baby girl. Getting a boy and girl has fulfilled my wish.
Hey, love you too. Okay.
చిన్నప్పుడు ప్రద్యుమ్ను మాత్రం అండి ఏదో ఒక స్టోరీ ఎప్పుడు పాటలు పాడుతూనే ఉంటేనే నిద్రపోయేటోడు. ఏదన్నా పిచ్చి పాట పాడని నేను మొత్తానికైతే పాట పాడాలి. పుట్టిన రోజు కూడా గమ్మత్ ఏంటంటే నేను స్టోరీ లాగా ఏదో చెప్తుంటే హాస్పిటల్లో అది మెయిన్ నాకు బాగా గుర్తు అన్నట్టు.
అది నాదే, ఇది కూడా నాదే కదా. నేను కూడా
Pratiti, she is very independent, strong. She's more affectionate with me. Of course, Rajesh, he loves having a baby girl. She likes dancing, music. She loves swimming. Pradyum, naturally, he is very cool, very caring. When he goes out, he becomes hyperactive and more energetic. Most important thing is karate. In 3 months, he is going to get black belt 1. Very tricky thing ఏంటంటే homeworks చేయించడము. అన్నా, can you please do that అంటుంది చాలా స్వీట్ వాయిస్ తోటి.
My sister fights the most. Whenever with a small thing, she just starts getting very angry and starts shouting at me. She starts the fight first. No, you start. You start hitting me, and that's how the iPad broke. No, you first started. You first.